The journey begins in the fields. Dior's signature extracts start with nature, hand-harvested at peak bloom to preserve the delicate botanical oils. Steam distillation slowly pulls the essence from the heart of the flower. It takes thousands of petals to produce a single ounce of pure floral oil. In the Dior labs, we analyze the molecular structure for maximum potency. Advanced molecular engineering allows us to create long-lasting comfort. Natural waxes like candelilla provide the structural backbone of the bullet. Purity is paramount. Centrifugation removes every trace of sediment. Beyond red, a spectrum of shades is developed using synthetic chemistry. Each new season requires a palette that blends trend with tradition. Thermal imaging monitors heat distribution to prevent ingredient degradation. For the satin finish, microscopic pearl particles are added for light reflection. Minerals are ground for over 48 hours to reach the perfect micron size. Laser precision ensures the film-forming agents provide a smooth application. Nutritive shea butter is whipped to ensure a creamy, buttery glide on the lips. Degassing in a vacuum chamber prevents tiny air pockets from forming. The final touch of luxury, the subtle, iconic Dior fragrance, is infused. Robotic lip simulators test the payoff, the amount of color left in one swipe. Once approved, the bulk formula is stored in temperature-controlled silos. Every batch is signed off by a master chemist before it heads to the molds. Color science is a language of its own. We begin with the foundation, the nudes. Titanium dioxide provides the opacity needed for soft, natural coverage. Earth-toned iron oxides are blended to mimic the natural undertones of skin. Nature remains our greatest reference. Every pink must feel like a fresh bloom. For the deep plums and berries, we use highly concentrated organic pigments. The Pop collection requires neon stabilizers to keep the color vivid for hours. Mica minerals add that subtle shimmer found in our star editions. Consistency is key. The raw pigment blocks are sliced with surgical precision. We engineer shades that adapt, looking flawless on every global skin tone. A touch of blue creates the cool red designed to make teeth appear white. Welcome to the intersection of art and engineering. Today, we go inside the Dior Factory. Every iconic shade begins in the lab, where raw materials meet rigorous luxury standards. The heart of the color is triple roll milling, a satisfying process that ensures perfect texture. By grinding pigments to a microscopic level, we achieve that signature, weightless Dior finish. Next, the base. Natural waxes and oils are melted at precise temperatures for ultimate hydration. The fusion of color and care. Watch as the pigment breathes life into the wax base. Homogenization uses high-speed
The
vortex
precision in measuring
mixing to
these
ensure the
cosmetic
color
oils is crucial for
uniform
ensuring
in
the
every
quality
single
and
bullet.
efficacy of the final
Precision
product.
injection molding captures the classic silhouette that defines high-end beauty. The cooling tunnel flash freezes the form, locking in the structure and the shine. Demolding reveals the perfection within solid, flawless, and ready for the final touch. The demolding stage requires extreme precision to avoid any surface tension. Now, the art of shine. Each bullet passes through a controlled flame. This process, known as flaming, glazes the surface to a mirror-like finish. Next, the signature. High-precision lasers engrave the iconic Dior emblem. It is a mark of authenticity and a symbol of luxury craftsmanship. Every single piece is rotated and scanned for even the smallest imperfection. Advanced AI vision systems detect air bubbles or surface scratches in milliseconds. The assembly. The bullet is wedged into its lacquered silver housing. The perfect click, engineered for a tactile, high-end user experience. Human experts then perform the twist test to ensure a smooth, effortless glide. Digital sensors measure the torque, ensuring the mechanism never fails. Strength is key. We test the break point to ensure durability in your handbag. Consistency is verified. Each batch must match the master shade exactly. A digital spectrometer analyzes the light reflection to confirm color purity. Before final packaging, the cases are polished to remove any fingerprints. Now, the final journey begins, from the factory floor to the boutique. Wrapped in elegance, the packaging is just as meticulously crafted as the product. Automated folding systems ensure every corner is sharp and every seal is tight. A final seal of protection, ensuring your luxury arrives in pristine condition. Mass production meets high fashion. Thousands of bullets, one standard of excellence.